The all-new Banalari Nexa showroom is now open at Maoyongrem near ISBT. Explore premium Nexa cars, book your favorite, and take a test drive. Nexa. Create, inspire.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
The next gen Tata Tiago. Dual tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger, blind view monitor, bakiway. Tech kum ki kaliram, hagador ko bajam, tak 9.5 lakh. Just wow.
Chief Electoral Officer Kejelau Dr. BDR Tiwari haka arpsantrik nailar arja punrio. Ula kentui kinong tap vote ba kim day banchu ngap menti habakiyo yaki notice khot hajar naki ERO bat naki AERO bat bakindai ban lej sya ki jingsha khot hajar haki polling station da kabara ru ringkat yaki duler ki batikna. Haba keren sikilap sai kubor Dr. Tiwari wilayah baka tanat election kalapha nriu lak sau pula hajar sau spa live khandai ligi notice bat sau lak nyau pupra hajar aspa khat nyau ligi notice kibra sam syaki nong thap buat kat ba sa silak nriu pesan ar spa arpu art ligi notice kibrang sa ban sam syaki nong thap buat kibadan jing bakla haka jing pen baik kerteng CEO la pentip baula patha yaki DEO bat yaki ERO bakin chim khia ban pen poi ki notice badang sa bat ban pen tikna bakin nong thap vote kin yo yakapor kapabiang ban lej syaki hearing bat ban ra lang bat ki duler pensisha syo CEO ula pentip hadien ba lami ki jingja basungsi hanong ba shilong yaki hearing la pensange syashipor haki khat south ligi constituency ha east khasi hills tat hadu banda penbana da kumai pan hendrei kane ko hukum kan om trekam setia ha ka arpun reu shela ha arpun nyau pun usla bat ha arpu pra sora assembly constituency la batha ru yakinong thap vote ki balej cheki hearing ha ki constituency ki bala pensange spor bakin up ya ka jing penbana tarik bathamai naki ERO lani naki AERO but naki boot level officer.
With respect to special intensive revision process 2026 which is ongoing in Meghalaya, the update of the status as per today on 25th August is as follows. We had already 6,43,439 notices generated and 4,78,217 notices delivered. Still 1,65,222 notice delivery is pending. As per the hearing schedule already been issued along with the notices, and total 62,343 hearing held, which is 9.69% across the state. We had the review meeting with the districts and a meeting with the political parties also today, and there are the different issues with respect to the no mapping cases, mapping discrepancy cases, filing of claims and objection, received after the publication of draft electoral roll, grievance redressal mechanism and other activities required to be completed with the prescribed SIR timeline has been discussed with the field officials. So we also has a follow-up meeting to apprise the national and state political parties and all the issues just discussed, and they are also being briefed about the status of ongoing SIR, then quality of the disposal, issues arises, and certain other point raised by the people, and they also updated and raised their issues before the election team. So with the deceased to give priority for generated notices to the people and to fix the schedule as per the convenience. Moreover, at least we have requested to the district authorities simultaneously they can give a time slot in the date of hearing also, so all the people should not come at one time and they have to be in the long queue. They can make 2-3 time slot, so to make this hearing process convenient to the people who are coming. Simultaneously, comparatively high pendency of the notice delivery were asked to closely monitor the process at the polling stations and BLO level. All the EROs and AEROs are already sensitized and they are conducting hearing on the ground. So, in respect to no mapping cases, for the verification, there is the cases are supposed to refer to DO's login also for getting it verified, and all needful follow-up action, then strategy, everything has been discussed in length with the field officials to make this process smoother and to expedite the process at earliest. During the till present day hearing process, so we found around 194 electors ineligible on the basis of hearing completed and cases disposed of. So we already instructed all the EROs and AERO to consider every case individually and strictly in accordance with the prescribed procedure. Electors receiving notices should be provided a fair and reasonable opportunity to appear, explain the discrepancy and furnish the required supporting documents. In case of non-availability of the documents, if they are applying and field officials are coordinating with the issuing authorities, so to facilitate all the electors who receive notice, if within purview of law, within prescribed timeline, wherever and whatever will be possible. No name appearing in the draft electoral roll shall be deleted without due process, issuance of notice, inquiry and a fair reasonable opportunity of hearing to the elector concerned. ERO and AERO shall pass appropriate reasoned speaking order before taking a decision in all such cases. In view of prevailing law and order situation in East Khasi Hill district and some other part of the state, so District Magistrate East Khasi Hill district has ordered the cancellation of the hearing process until further order, and whatever hearings scheduled for the various ERO, AEROs in the 14 assembly constituencies in the district. Cancellation does not apply to the Sela Peninsula and Sohara assembly constituencies, and all remaining 14 constituencies of the district, the hearing process is cancelled. Electors in the affected assembly constituencies whose scheduled hearing have been cancelled are advised to await further communication from the concerned ERO, AERO regarding fresh date of hearing. They may remain in contact with their respective BLOs, EROs, AEROs for update, and they are also in touch with the electors for once the rehearing will resume, immediately they will inform. So every elector affected by the temporary suspension of the hearing process will be provided an opportunity to appear and furnish the required supporting document when hearings are rescheduled. During the meeting, the cases requiring further verification under the notice phase, and there are around 2,22,786 electors fall under the no mapping category, while 4,28,858 electors have been identified with mapping discrepancies aggregating 6,51,644 cases during the notice and verification phase. So once again, for the knowledge of people, we would like to reiterate the discrepancies, like the mismatch between electors' name and name available in the SIR 2005 record, and mismatch between the elector parent name and corresponding name recorded in SIR 2005. Age difference between the elector and parent being less than 15 years or more than 50 years. age gap of less than 9 months between siblings linked to the same parent, more than 6 children being linked to the same parent, and age difference of less than 40 years between an elector and grandparent. We already discussed with the district officials about the polling station where the number of no mapping cases is unusually high. The concerned DEOs, EROs should undertake an analysis of the quality of work carried out by the BLO during enumeration phase and ascertain the reason for such high numbers. So, since it is we are taking up the fresh cases also, so total 5,576 fresh application received after the draft publication on the 5th August 2026, which includes 2,690 cases in Form 6 for inclusion, 240 cases in Form 7 for objection deletion, 485 cases in the Form 8 for shifting, and 2,161 cases in Form 8 for correction. So all EROs, AEROs were directed to ensure timely scrutiny and disposal of applications received during the claim and objection period in accordance with the prescribed procedure. Eligible electors whose name are not included in the draft electoral roll may still apply for inclusion by submitting Form 6 along with the prescribed declaration form and supporting document within the claim objection period. So for the grievance redressal facilities available to the elector through 1950 toll-free helpline number, and then alternate mobile numbers are also been provided in all the district with the NGSP web portal and the book a call with BLO facility. So total 2,729 book a call requests have been received across the state, and out of which 2,502 requests have been responded to. A total 78 requests are presently shown as pending, comprising 12 requests pending for more than 48 hours and 66 requests pending for more than 12 less than 48 hours and 66 more than 48 hours. So we instructed the district to closely monitor the pending requests, particularly those pending beyond 48 hours, and ensure prompt response and assistance to all the electors. We briefed to the state and national political parties about the progress of notice generation, and simultaneously we briefed same status to them today also. And then political parties and their booth level agents, we have requested them to continue assisting electors in checking their names and particular in the draft electoral roll, responding to the notice, attending hearing and filing appropriate claim and objections wherever required. And we are very happy to share that we are getting a very good positive response from the political parties and their booth level agents wherever they have been assigned. So the continued participation of the political parties and their booth level agents as well as other stakeholders is very much necessary in maintaining transparency, inclusiveness and public confidence in the entire revision process. So further to the electors, we would like to say, if your name is in the draft electoral roll and mapped with SIR 2005, around 2/3 of the total existing electors are in that category, so no further action is required in their cases. But if your name is in the draft electoral roll but not mapped with SIR 2005, then there is a mapping or there is mapping discrepancy, you may receive a notice for hearing from ERO. So don't ignore the notice, attend the hearing on the date specified and produce the required supporting document. And if your name is not found in the draft electoral roll, you can still check that and you can still apply for inclusion by submitting Form 6 along with the prescribed declaration form and supporting document during this claim and objection period, which is till 4th of September 2026. this timeline for filing of claim and objection is at present till 4th of September, but the notice phase and disposal of claim objections will continue till 3rd of October 2026, when still the date of final publication is 7th October. So we particularly advise not to all the electors not to ignore notices received from ERO, AERO, and to utilize the opportunity of hearing to furnish required document and clarify any discrepancy in their electoral record. Those whose hearing have been temporarily suspended in the affected assembly constituencies in East Kasihil district should await the revised hearing schedule from the concerned election authority. We further appeal to all electors, political parties and BLAs, as well as traditional institutions, Darbar Sunang, Nokmas, civil society organizations, especially to the media and all other stakeholders, to continue extending their cooperation and support during this ongoing phase of special intensive revision. So they should check their name and cooperate with the election authorities. Our process is just to make sure that no ineligible citizen remain in the electoral roll, but more importantly, no eligible citizen to be left out. So in respect to the field activities, people are getting notices and they have to produce documents, so there are some inconvenience being caused, and in several cases the documents might not be properly available, especially in the case of the discrepancies. So districts are working very closely in the purview of law how to get it rectified and then apply proper discretion in all such cases in consultation with the local authorities in purview of law, and to facilitate all such eligible electors, so they should not have any problem and their names should remain in the electoral roll. So your cooperation, especially the media side, is very, very important. I once again would like to extend our sincere thanks and gratitude all stakeholders, including the team members, all the electors, local institutions, media and other stakeholders, to get this exercise done successfully and make our role error-free and healthy for a better democracy. Thank you. They might receive notice due to some discrepancy, like the people who are having more than 6 children, being a tribal area. In the field also we come across and number of people having more than 6 children linked with same parents. So a good number of cases has come, and but since the process is ongoing, I request all of them at least to cooperate with our election authority. It is just a verification, so it is not to deprive them with any right or any legitimate right of any such eligible citizen, just to verify if it is the correct thing, and they will do with the due procedure, so it will not cause any inconvenience later to the person concerned.
So can you give us the reason regarding the cancellation of the
there is the law and order situation in the East Kasihil district, so accordingly, since section 163 of BNSS is also been imposed, and then law and order situation was not okay, so accordingly they have cancelled the ongoing term. So as per the hearing schedule, I already told, hearing held for the 62,343 person altogether in the state till time. That is 9.69% of the total hearing.
Iperti yonga tau ki Ivan. Em kuwi ko prom kwa okhanai phi.
Ivan,ไปคอนแรมกว่าแรสก็มั้งตอนฉันแนบแรงนี่ทำเป็นบทเองกันหลักพา
Bon sen ki brum jukli pha ki yanga. ตั้งกี่ขมัดพร้อมชนะยี่หยอกพยูได้
còn Ivan ông rồi cái bên husu gà gram mò tao đã bún gà gram tem etir đi pi tao con đây nè
ya khi biểu ngài nên mà em khi mà vào đây tâm anh em già hết
em sẽ là ngâm sang kêu vào cậu
em mình bật đi ông phi cái quạo lại cái training của lê bên này nên mà ta vào chna vào thay số đó
ngà có ai âm mà lại
tao ngồi cây này số đó cái prolog đi vào hikai ko nong kong daga simple design go ar daw hikai daga design man je dia kan ga simple design
ini ke check tu ram sorkar ma
kampung dah terang la do mesin dia sikit dah kamu kuat